Most car owners regret not making proper research before getting their car. This should not be your case in 2024. To limit your research, we helped you compile a list of the top 5 most expensive car to maintain in 2024. Welcome back to the Autosparkle Show. Today, in no particular order, we'll be taking a look at the top 5 most expensive cars to maintain in 2024. So, buckle up and get ready to dig deep into your pockets. At number 5, we have the renowned Bugatti Chiron. With its jaw-dropping speed and mind-boggling power, it's no surprise that this beast comes with a hefty maintenance cost. From specialized mechanics to rare parts, keeping this car in top shape is no easy feat. It costs $200,000 to $300,000 to maintain this car yearly. Moving on to number 4, we have the iconic McLaren P1. This beauty is a crowd pleaser, but maintaining its performance comes at a cost. With cutting-edge technology and unique components, regular checkups and repairs can cause a dent of $50,000 to $100,000 in your wallet annually. Taking the third spot is the luxurious Rolls-Royce Phantom. Known for its elegance and opulence, this car is truly a statement of wealth. However, its lavishness extends to the maintenance bill of $20,000 to $35,000 yearly. From exquisite interior details to precise mechanical engineering, every aspect requires expert attention. Now, let's talk about the eye-catching Lamborghini Aventador, ranking number 2 on our list. This Italian masterpiece captivates car enthusiasts worldwide. But beware, its breathtaking performance demands frequent maintenance and high-quality parts, making it a daunting task for your bank account. It averagely costs $30,000 to $50,000 to maintain annually. And finally, we have the Koenigsegg Jesko Absolute. This hypercar is in a league of its own, both in terms of price and maintenance costs. Its cutting-edge technology and meticulous craftsmanship warrant a large investment to keep it running flawlessly. It costs between $75,000 to $100,000 to maintain annually. Thank you for joining us on this countdown of 2024's costliest car maintenance.
Today's show was brought to you by Autosparkle, Africa's leading waterless automotive detailing brand. Learn more about Autosparkle on www.myautosparkle.com and follow @myautoSparkle across social media. Just before you go, remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on your posts notifications so you don't miss the next best thing, since man could get moved around by a machine.